Chloe, this girl right here, yes, she's so rich, but, she's finally giving me, a ring that I really need for reasons. Yep, totally reason to say this. Yes. Totally. It started. Yeah, I'm not saying that, but it's, what did she say? Are you finished? I miss. What did you say? Not for primitive. Nope. Total. Nope. 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 Not. Nope. 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 Not for her. Anyway. So. Actually, it is one of my dream items. Technically, it is. I really want the ring. All right. So. Trade. Oka. Oka? I love Oka. Yay. I forgot her last name, but from Yandere Simulator. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Do I have to offer? Do I have? I really hope I don't, but it's fine if I do. I'll just give her 2 things she doesn't have. Fine. Oh well. Here's this. My poor babies. Well, I'll get them back hopefully one day soon. I can buy the shoes. Yeah, okay, anyway. The ring. I just really like the ring for myself. I really want the ring just for me. Not anyone else. Ha 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 ha. Ow, I just stuck my mic all the way in my throat. That hurt. Ow. What is wrong with my light? Why is it going off and off? Wait, no. Why is it going on and off? I think there's a ghost haunting my house right now. Thank you so much, Chloe. Now buy the set. I'll buy it again. Chloe. Chloe. Look what I'm wearing. Look what I'm wearing. No, I wanna use the diamonds for the school update that gonna come out. Why? No. What if I give you half? No. Why? Yeah, I farm. So. I'm just gonna end this. Bye.